Hello everyone, Samuel here from creativetrading.system.com, making this small video as a weekly recap. Today is Friday, 5 p.m. Market just closed, so let's get started. This is the first trade of the week, 11th November. Week started, and the first trade was gold from 200 box size. Gold went down big time last week, or this whole week, right? And this is one of the trade taking from here, taking by my EA and all the way down from 2670 to 2632. And by the way, this coming down, the gold coming down, I predicted with my weekly chart, which was on 26th October, that this is going to be the end of wave 3 somewhere here. And from there, we're going to be dropping for wave 4 into this area, right? Somewhere there, equal to maybe equal or a little bit bigger than this wave 2. Wave 2 and wave 4 are corrective waves, right? So far, we have gone down. Let me show you the weekly chart first. That this is how we drop exactly from where I said that we're going to be finishing wave 3 and then we're going to drop for wave 4, but it is not the end of the wave 4. This is only first leg of 3. A, B, C. This is how it's going to come down. So this is A finished. We're going to go up for wave B and then drop for wave C. That would be the end of wave 4. Smaller version, more detail is like this. This is wave A. We're going to be going up for B and then C, and then we will go up for wave 5 with, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fashion. Right? So this is how gold is doing. Very important. So that's why I just showed you. And the next trade, pound yen, 20-minute chart, sell order right there, taken by the EA and 75 plus pip to the downside. And here UJ going to the upside because of the US dollar index strength, right? US dollar getting strong badly. So, but it is at the end of the road now. I'll show you. But in fact, I'm going to make a separate video for that. Here, CAD yen went up with yen weakness on the 12th, 70 pip. And everything is by the setup. My setup is, 4 conditions. Once the conditions are met, my EA opened the trade. All I have to do is do my analysis and put the EA in the direction that I think that is going to go. And, the turn was supposed to happen from there, and it did, and it took the trade. Right there, the sell order. The EA opens the trade, plays the SL, and plays the target, whatever you suggest. And, when the target hit, it closed. Usually I keep the target open. Here, the pound Aussie from 7-minute chart. 7-minute chart is like regular 5-minute chart. My 20-minute chart is like a regular 15-minute chart. That's the difference. So trade open here, and you can see here it's for 75. I close the trade normally based on this daily range. You can see here it's been recorded, but see the average 60-day range is 122, right? So once that pair travel maybe 30, 40 pip before it gives me the setup, then what is left, 70, 80, 90 pip. So I see that when that much, the pair travel that much, then it's not going to go more, right? It's going to retrace then, right? So I close around that daily range. Each pair has different daily range, by the way. This is Euro Yen. You can see daily range of this one is 149, big one, huh? That's why. So I got this entry here, and I closed too early though, but that's okay. 80 pip. UJ again on the 13 going to the upside from 7-minute chart. Buy orders right there. And here gold again going down from 150 box size, 150, 200, same thing, but like 5-minute, 15-minute difference a little bit. So many entries, you can see that you could have taken any one of them and then go down, right? So I didn't want to take it because the move was extended, but my EA was there, so it took it, right? So I didn't know. I found out later on that, I have a trade open in gold, right? So that's the beauty about this EA. Here, GJ on the 15th today, Friday, for 150 pip, by the way, right? So all of a sudden, these yen pairs went crazy, right? All of them dropped big time. But I had the yen index chart in place that it's going to drop. Yen is going to get strong, and it did. So 150 pip pound yen, and then this is a euro yen also going down from here to here for 160 pip. All of them went down. And this one you can see USD yen from 20-minute chart. I forgot to write down here. It's like incomplete. And not incomplete, but I forgot to write down here how many pip. It is, let's say, around 155.70. So 154. 170 pip, by the way, right? For 154, like 154. And this entry here, you can see 155, I would say 50, right? So yeah, 150 pip, right? That drop. And then this is USD CAD. USD strength took this one to the upside for 125. And I'll make the Dixie video after this US dollar index, so you will know exactly that how a US dollar got stronger and how I predicted it, and it went up. And I took all the, just like USD CAD to the upside, USD yen to the upside, and then pound USD and Euro USD went down big time, right? I didn't take any trade because they are extended mode, and I don't want to go with that. Aussie yen, again, like I said, all yen pair went down big time. So this one went down from 7-minute chart. Beautiful entry. This was the entry. I don't know why my EA didn't open this one, but then it opened here, and all the way down for 90 pair. And that's about it. So these are the trades mostly taken by the EA. This EA works on the 7-minute chart as well as on the 20-minute chart, right? So whenever I have my analysis that, okay, this index is going to get strong, like yen, I had made the chart. Maybe I can find it quickly. I don't know, but let me just try to find it and see if I can show you. Excuse me. JPYX, and that is probably weekly. Okay. Let me see the. Oh man, come on, stop it now. Okay, 11/8. So that probably this is the one. November 8th. You see that? So this is the yen index, right? And what did I say here? And all yen pair went, oops, okay, and went down, but it is still going down, right? So this was the chart that is from 61%, it's gonna drop. And I think it dropped more. Let's take a look quickly that if it has how much it dropped. My chart, this was after chart, but I don't know where the heck is before chart. But you see the current chart. Okay, yen index, not this one, not this one. You can see that this one, right? So this is the chart that I made before chart, and this is like an after chart on the 8th. So I made the chart even before that, right? And then what happened? All yen pairs started to drop. Then it went up. Then they're gonna drop. They went up again, and then they started to drop. Today, you see, because of this, they went down. Weekly chart is also like this one. You see that? So 61% retracement, A, B, C, and now it's supposed to come down. When it is coming down, yen is get strong. When yen gets strong, all yen pair goes down, go down because yen is always in each and every single pair. Yen is always on the right hand side. So right hand side currency gets strong, pair goes down, right? So all of them have a yen on the right hand side: euro yen, pound yen, USD yen, CAD yen, New yen, U yen, me yen, everything, right? So the yen is always on the right hand side. So they all go down with the index. And you can see it is just the beginning. And I had trades like 115 euro yen, 115 pound yen. So a lot of trades, yen pairs trades coming in, right? So be ready. And USDX, I'll make another video, separate video for that, right? But remember the gold, that's the most important thing is gold. And this was the chart. And this is my current chart. I made it yesterday that we're gonna go up for B and then gonna come down for wave C. This was also another version, simple. This is the one I recorded, but then I said, okay, let me just, elaborate a little bit more. So I mark here and here. These are the numbers that's going to go. All right. So this is it for now. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the videos like this on time so you can take advantage of these setups. and trades, right? So bye for now, and I wish you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. By the way, if you need to learn these Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, all these technical analysis, which helps a lot, right? My 80% trades goes right on the dot because of these analysis. So if you want to learn and master, then you go on my website. I think it's here, and then take one-on-one course over the Zoom. I teach you, make you master of all these studies: Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNL level, trend line, blah blah blah, and my system as well, right? So that you can, and then you can take the EA, and that's it, hands free trades, right? You're sleeping, you're going somewhere else, gone where, go play golf, whatever. And if the setup is there, EA is going to open the trade and place the SL. When you come back, you can decide when to close, or you can, predetermine the target as well in that EA, right? So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.